Welcome back. My final toy that I got myself is these buds. Let's open them up. All right, let's see. Ooh. I know you're watching over here. That's the Watch 3, and this is the Note Ultra. All right. Let's put this to the side. What's in here? Cable and 2 adapters. All right. Let me just open it this way. If you like that sound. Oh, let me do it again. Feels good? Not my thing. All right, here are the Samsung sound by AKG. Ooh, they got a magnet in there. Ooh, you hear it? Oh, nice. Pretty small. All right. Thanks for watching. We're rocking some Samsung.